Thinking of moving on from Ally Bank? Maybe you're looking for a better APY, more ATM access, or just a different set of features. What are the truly best Ally Bank alternatives out there, and which one is right for your specific financial needs? I've been a huge fan of online-only banking for years now, and Ally was one of my first major steps away from the big brick-and-mortar banks. They're fantastic, but in my experience, the online banking space is constantly evolving, and what was best a year ago might be slightly eclipsed today. We're looking for competitors that nail the trifecta: high yields, low fees, and user experience. Bank the top contenders. Who beats Ally on APY? Ally is consistently competitive, but when I was searching for the absolute highest yield for my emergency fund, I found a few banks that currently edge them out. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This is often the first name that comes up. My take: I've used Marcus for a portion of my savings because their high-yield online savings account often offers a slightly better APY than Ally. It's truly no frills, no checking account option, no debit card, which, surprisingly, I love. It makes the money feel truly separate and less tempting to touch. No minimum deposit, no monthly fees. It's pure saving. Synchrony Bank. They are another strong challenger, particularly for high-yield savings accounts. My take: Synchrony's rates are always right in the mix with Marcus and Ally. A unique perk I appreciated is their ATM fee reimbursements. If you happen to need cash, that flexibility is a nice safety net. Again, it's primarily a pure savings play, which keeps things simple. Credit card best for full-service banking, checking and savings combo. If you want one home for both your checking and high-yield savings, like the full experience Ally offers, then you need a true full-service online bank alternative. Discover Bank. Yes, the credit card company also has a great bank. My take: Discover is a beast. They offer a great online savings account with competitive rates, and their cashback debit card is unique. It earns 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases monthly. That's real money back on spending. Plus, their customer service is consistently rated highly, which is crucial for an online-only bank. Capital One 360, a classic online option with a major bank behind it. My take: if I ever felt nervous about a pure online-only bank, Capital One 360 would be my bridge. They offer great no-fee checking and savings accounts, and the huge network of Capital One cafes and their own ATMs provides physical access, which is a major comfort for some people. Their money market account is also a solid option. Hammer and Wrench, the tech and tools alternative, best user experience. Ally Bank has excellent buckets for saving, but some competitors really lean into the modern tech experience. SoFi. They are more than just loans now, they're a full digital bank. My take: SoFi is aggressive, offering a competitive APY that applies to both their checking and savings accounts, often only if you have direct deposit. What stands out is their tech. The app is sleek, they offer financial planning tools, and they even give you a small overdraft buffer with no fees if you meet direct deposit requirements. It's a very modern, all-in-one financial app experience. Balance scale. My personal conclusion: ultimately, the best alternative depends on why you're leaving Ally. If your primary goal is just maximum APY on a hands-off savings account, I'd lean towards Marcus by Goldman Sachs. They are laser-focused on savings, and their rates usually reflect that. If you want the best full-service replacement that offers a great checking account alongside high-yield savings, you can't go wrong with Discover Bank due to the cashback debit card and excellent support. I've personally shifted my main savings between these top three depending on which one had the most attractive combination of APY and features at the time, and I've always been satisfied. The beautiful thing about these online accounts is how easy they are to open and link together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.